hasta luego. Safeway BBQ battle, we thank you, 2015. We love you. Everybody here.
What's up, baby?
Everybody out here right now, if you love Chuck White like we love him, I want you to put your hands in there and put one finger there like this is. We're gonna do this one for Chuck, y'all. This is why they did an unsung on him. This is why they did an unsung on Go-Go. Because DC has something that nobody else in the world has, and that's Chuck Go-Go music, y'all. And Chuck Brown invented it, Chuck Brown created it. People like Tony and EU and Sugar Bear kept it going.
Yeah.
But right now I want everybody in the building, outside the building, to say we love you, Chuck, on the count of 3. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. We love you, Chuck!
We love y'all. Thank you. God bless y'all. Good night, DC.